So if you've been driving around the Shoals this week, you probably noticed the construction crews and shifting down to one lane heading in and out of Florence. And this is all part of a 2-year Alabama Department of Transportation project. News 19's Nikki Marker explains what drivers can expect.
The Alabama Department of Transportation says there are more than 30,000 vehicles that cross over the Mitchell Boulevard Bridge in Florence each day.
This is the bridge that is just about a half mile or so north of the O'Neill Bridge, and the bridge goes over Highway 20, right sort of at the end of Highway 20 where it meets up with 43 and 72.
But after nearly 90 years since its construction, AlDOT says it's time for an upgrade.
Bridges that were constructed that long ago are not really constructed to our modern standards, so anytime we replace a bridge like that, we're going to make some improvements. The new bridge that will go back here will be a clear span bridge without the piers that are next to the roadway.
Communications Director Seth Burkett says the new bridge will be taller, wider, and longer, but with the facelift comes some delays.
During this project, you're going to have single lane closures in both directions. The roadway has already been reduced to one lane in each direction going through the project.
Burkett says drivers can expect alternate routes to go in place next week, and eventually no traffic will be able to pass under the bridge either. While he recognizes road work can be frustrating to your daily commute, he asked drivers to slow down and stay vigilant.
Drive with caution and reduce their speed when going through this work zone. Try to remain very alert. Things are changing. We just ask the public to be patient and be mindful of the fact that there are human beings that are working in this work zone.
In Florence, Nikki Marker, News 19.